All right. So what are we talking about now? Most successful protocol you recommend? 2-4?
Yeah. Basic Nautilus Protocol 2-4. The most successful protocol that every trainer should know and be proficient at is the basic Nautilus 2-4 protocol. And I don't want them to overthink this. If you don't have this down, you probably can't do a lot of other things very well. So let me just dig into this just a little bit. So it's really not a true 2-second positive followed by a 4-second negative. Arthur Jones simply said, control the weight, plain and simple. And then his recommendation was 8 to 12 reps to failure. Now, obviously, if you're on rep number 13 with no signs of slowing down, you got to keep going until you reach momentary muscular failure or until the weight becomes challenging and you get a stimulus going there. But his general guidelines and his basic protocol, I think, is the cornerstone of our business. So, controlling the weight, 8 to 12 reps to failure. And then what you can do with this protocol is just the variety is just never ending. You can extend the set with assisted reps or forced reps, rest, pause, negatives, breakdowns, any of these things. And that's where the variety is. So it's not, for me, it was never about the exercise order. I could do the same 6 machines for 20 years and the clients will not get bored. Where it becomes interesting is at the end of the set. Once they start to get challenged, what's going to happen now? Hey, set the weight down. I'm going to drop the pin. Okay, now you can get a few more. And I'm going to help you with it. And I'm going to push on this. And I'm going to that's where it becomes exciting at the end of the set, not the exercise order. Trying to make them stand on a Bosu ball and do bicep curls is not entertaining. You're not trying to entertain the client. You want to stimulate and get them out. So this basic protocol, I think, is the cornerstone of our business. And I think people should really just take this seriously before they go on to more advanced stuff.
Got it. And what is the next level?
For me, the next step was Ellington Darden's work. So he is just so focused on negatives. Negatives are, really the focus of his work. He's studied this for 50 years or more. Starting with Arthur. Arthur obviously built machines, negative only machines, which are fascinating. But Ellington took this to the next level and really, really studied this. So a 1 rep exercise, 1 rep chin, a 1 rep dip, a 1 rep leg press, emphasizing the negative or a negative only. That would be next level for me. And that's what was next level for me. I would do my Nautilus 2-4 protocol to failure and then really take the set to the limit, depending on my client's wants and needs at that time. And then after that, hey, come on in. We're not even going to lift a weight today. We're just going to lower weights today. And you're only going to do 1 rep on each exercise. Wow, that was next level. But you have to be able to deliver that. So I think you have to be proficient at the basic protocol first before you get into the negative only stuff. But that was next level for me. And I really, really liked that. And my clients responded amazingly with that kind of stuff. So I was doing a lot of that for a long time.